Welcome. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to move an Excel file to another folder using the Dropbox mobile app. This method is simple, quick, and perfect for keeping your files organized while on the go. Whether you're managing work documents or personal spreadsheets, moving files within Dropbox is straightforward once you know the steps. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your files seamlessly. Once you're inside the app, look towards the bottom of the screen and tap the Files tab. This tab displays all your stored files and folders, making it easy to find what you need. Next, scroll through your files or use the search bar to locate the Excel file you want to move. When you find it, you will see 3 dots aligned next to the file's name. Those dots represent the Options menu. Tap on these 3 dots to reveal several file actions you can take. From the list of options, tap on Move. This will open a screen showing your Dropbox folder structure. Now it's time to choose where you want to move your Excel file. Navigate through your folders and find the ideal destination folder. You might have folders dedicated to different projects or categories. Just pick the one that fits best. After you have selected the destination folder, you will see a Move button either at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap Move to confirm the transfer. The app will quickly relocate your Excel file to the new folder. You'll notice that the file's location updates, and it is no longer in the previous folder. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you can keep your Dropbox files neat and organized right from your mobile device. Moving Excel files or any other documents couldn't be more straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.